Hello everyone, myself Dr. Amar Banjari, working as an assistant professor in zoology at Shivramji Mughi Mahavidyalaya, Pandrakoda, district Yavatmal, and I am going to present a paper on effect of human activities on the biodiversity of current scenario. This is the index of my paper, that is the introduction of biodiversity, then causes of biodiversity and conservation of biodiversity. And in conservation there is a method to prevent biodiversity, conservation of approaches and conclusions. As we know that biodiversity is the basis of human existence, our life support systems. The term biodiversity is used in a broad sense as it is defined in the Convention on Biological Diversity to mean the abundance and distribution and interaction between genotype, species, communities, and ecosystem and biomes. There is no doubt that human civilization has a negative impact on biodiversity since the industrial revolutions, overfishing, hunting, destructions of habitat through agriculture and urban sprawl, the use of pesticides and herbicides. Human impact on the environment includes impact on biophysical environment, biodiversity and other resources. Uh, these are the benefits of biodiversity. Biodiversity has consumptive value as well as non-consumptive value as food, medicines, commercial uses, agriculture, and aesthetic value. Biodiversity is important for four basic reasons: mortality, aesthetics, economic, and services that provide to society. There is also ecological benefits of the biodiversity. There is a number of causes or reasons for the loss of biodiversity. The Earth's biodiversity is the grave in danger. In the present era, the human beings are the most dangerous cause of destructions of Earth's biodiversity. Habitat destruction is a major cause for biodiversity loss. Another cause of biodiversity loss is technology, where applications of technology often result in unavoidable environmental impact. The technology can create order in the human economy, that is the order as manifested in buildings, factories, transportations, network, communication system, etc. Only at the expense of increasing disorders in the environment. According to number of studies, increased entropy is likely to be correlated to negative environmental impact. There is another cause, that is the agriculture. The environmental impact of agriculture involves a variety of factors from the soil to water, the air, animal and soil diversity, people, plants and the food itself. Some of the environmental issues that are related to agriculture are climatic change, deforestation, genetic engineering, irrigation problems, pollutant, soil degradation. Fishing is another cause for the loss of biodiversity, that is the overfishing, sustainable fisheries and management and issues that involve the impact of fishing on other elements such as bycatch. Irrigation is also the main reason for the loss of biodiversity. Uh, in conclusions, a variety of things could go badly wrong for humanity. As a result, anthropogenic factors from the intentionally harmful to unintentionally disasters could occur singly or in conjunction with one another. Benefits in our life. Biodiversity is our life. If the biodiversity got lost at this rate, then in future the survival of human beings will be threatened. So it is our moral duty to conserve biodiversity as well as our environment. Long-term maintenance of species and their management requires cooperative efforts across entire landscape. Biodiversity should be dealt with at a scale of habitat or ecosystem rather than at species level. Thank you.